All right, guys, today we have a messed up doorknob that somebody tried to repair and they did it the wrong way. So let's show you what's going on here. This is a Kwikset lever handle, and it looks like the lever handle probably had slid off, so they put a wood screw in there, and that's not at all how that works. So I'm gonna take that wood screw out, and we're gonna take a look at how this actually is repaired. So looks like, if I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Don't know why they put a wood screw in there, but either way, there's a hole over on this side right here. And what you want to do is you want to take an Allen wrench, a long Allen wrench. I don't know the size of this thing. This actually came from Kwikset, so this is the one that belongs with this lock. But I'm gonna put this in here and turn it. Now this Allen wrench has to go all the way through to the back side here. It's not like a normal screw, and I'll show you that in a second here. So I'm actually gonna loosen it up so I can pull this knob off, and I can show you guys what's going on here. So there's that hole. Put an Allen wrench in here. You can see that it's actually turning a little screw back there. That's the screw that holds this handle on here. So I'm gonna slide the handle on again. Show you guys how. So a lot of times that screw will back itself out and this handle will fall off. So the way to get that handle to stay back on is using your Allen wrench. Stick it in this hole over here. Turn it to tighten it. But you gotta make sure that that wrench goes all the way in there. Or tighten it till it's nice and snug. Pull the wrench out. And now your knob or lever handle will not come off. So anyway, that's how to fix that.